sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half.
Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create dynamic edit with Premiere Pro. Let's get started. So friends, for example, I will use Valorant gameplay and music file. First, select this video and press X, and let's zoom to video. Then go to 1 keyframe and press C in the keyboard and click cut. This is cut tool. For shortcut, press C, and let's make more cuts like this. Okay, 2 seconds is enough, and let's click selection tool and let's double click this music file. Let's select this part. Let's see. Okay, let's click this icon for in and go to here. Click this icon for out. Let's select this audio and move to inside our composition. Let's see. Okay, I want more cuts. Let's do it. Let's press C, click here for last cut, and let's make more cuts for dynamic edit. Let's zoom to here, like this. Okay, make someone for these cuts, and okay, so let's see. Okay, in this time, let's select this frame rate and delete. Let's see. Okay, this is black screen, and let's delete these frames for black screen. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's make other cuts like this. Delete. Okay, 1 frame rate and 1 black screen. Okay. Also select this and this, delete, like this. Okay, finally select this and delete. Let's see. Okay, so and let's select this part. Go to FX control, change scale, like this, and make scale keyframe. This is my first keyframe, and go to here, change scale like this. Let's see. Okay, and let's make new scale keyframe with this icon. Go to here, change 100. Let's see. Okay, and let's select this video, go to first keyframe and make rotation keyframe. And go to here, change rotation like this. And go to here, last keyframe, change 0. And select keyframes, right mouse, and click easy in. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So, let's see a full video. Okay, not bad. So, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.